Oh.
Hello, Benavides.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Blanco Bouncing Part 2.
Look over there. See over there, this is the hotel, the new one, you know.
We are in
There you go.
the Benidorm one, which you wasn't in because you went home in that way. This is our room. Please enter.
Yes, come in.
I'll do a
Come
little-
in.
Right. As you come into the room, you have the bathroom.
There's the bathroom there.
Very, very chic.
Yes,
Right.
very chic. It's got a red light and everything.
It's got a red light and everything.
Yes.
Well, there's a nice bath.
Roxanne's not in there though, is
You have a
she?
very good session in there.
Yes, she can.
Now you come through here.
Oh,
You come
yes.
into the master bedroom. This is my bed.
Yes.
This is Nabby's bed.
Yes.
Right? That
Yes.
could have been your bed,
Oh,
but you didn't come.
and
Now
look,
come
and there's the
here.
bit there.
You come in to watch you see Benidorm exactly. Window.
Check that out there.
Check out Benidorm.
There is the Benidorm.
That's Benidorm. Now,
Over there.
that's the fucking sea. If you look downwards,
Oh no.
if you look downwards, Nubby, you can see fucking how high we are. It's fucking.
That's a fucking highway.
It's fucking high.
And there's the other cinema.
There's the outdoor cinema.
And there's the chicks there.
Hold on
And this
to
is above it.
Oh. It's above, but we can't see that really.
We can't see that because we're scared to look out. There you go, you can see it.
Anyway, can you see the Bay of Benidorm?
And there's the Bay of Benidorm. And there's that lovely little cheese thing over there. There it is.
Cheesy Island.
There's
Shark
the cheese
Island,
thing.
that's called.
And now let's go get something to eat.
We're going